In the year 1804, my great-great-great-grandfather told me something and I heard him loud and clear with my left ear.
That's ridiculous. What do you mean by that? That's bollocks!
Do you know what, Mom? Just watch sports news. Eat ice cream. It's not like we're going to see you on TV anytime soon.
I think I'm ready. What? Take out my room.
Are you trying to get me fired?
No.
Do you think the money you stole from your father can pay my house rent?
I am late.
And I'm important.
I'm not psychologically ready. I'm not emotionally in a good place. I can't do this, please.
Do you realize how hard we worked for this thing?
Yes, but we're no longer winning. Let's just give it up and forget about it. Let's move on to the next chapter of our lives.
So, you mean for the past 15 years?
Yeah, for the past 15 years.
God. Women are dangerous, man.
What? What's that? What's that? It's positive.
What?